All right. Do anyone of you have a nickname at home? Anyone who has a nickname at home? Okay. What is your nickname then? Some of you are saying yes. What are your nicknames? Yes, Pragya, you can tell.
Ma'am, Tia.
Tia. Then we have Nipun as Krishna, Gee, Guttu, Harshu, Gunnu. All right. So like you all have some nickname. Why the nickname is given to you, like Veera said, when we call someone with love, right? Or when we show to belongingness, right? So today we are going to learn about the famous people and their nicknames. Why we have given the nickname to these famous people. All right. Why are nicknames given? I've just told you that this is signify belongingness. Belongingness means they are the part of our life also. Now we just discussed that many of you have the nicknames. Like we told that they are called in love. That is a nickname given to you. Like Tilak is called Tikku. Cute. Now we have a famous personality, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. We all must have heard about Sachin Tendulkar. He earned several names including Master Blaster, God of Cricket and Little Master. These all are the names given to him. Master Blaster, God of Cricket and Little Master. He is considered one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. Let's see a video about Sachin.
शेन वॉर्न ने मीडिया से ये
Is the voice audible? All right.
Yes.
कहा कि सचिन उनके सपनों में आते हैं और वहां भी उनकी बॉलिंग पर चौके छक्के मारते हैं। एक दिवसीय मैचों में जो पहले स्पेशलिस्ट ओपनर होता था वो ज्यादातर एक लप्पेबाज, पिंच हिटर, निचले क्रम का बल्लेबाज होता था। टीमों ने ऐसे बल्लेबाज को प्रारंभिक बल्लेबाज के रूप में उतारा ताकि वो शुरुआती फील्ड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस का फायदा उठा पाए। चल गया तो बढ़िया, वरना नुकसान हुआ तो एक निचले क्रम के बल्लेबाज का बलिदान। लेकिन फिर दुनिया भर के कप्तानों की सोच बदली। क्यों ना अपने सबसे सर्वोत्तम बल्लेबाज को पहले भेजा जाए। मैच 50 ओवर तक ही सीमित है और सबसे अच्छे बल्लेबाज को सबसे ज्यादा खेलने का मौका मिलेगा। 1994 में होली के दिन भारत के कप्तान मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने यही सोचकर सचिन तेंदुलकर को बतौर ओपनिंग बैट्समैन मैदान में उतारा।
ODI was a different ball game क्योंकि white balls, restriction in bouncers थे, white side screen, color clothes, white ball, तो it was entirely different experience for him.
ऑकलैंड में न्यूजीलैंड के विरुद्ध बतौर ओपनिंग बैट्समैन सचिन ने पहले ही मैच में ताबड़तोड़ शॉट्स मार के 49 बॉल में 82 रन बनाए और अपने दम पे मैच जिताया। और ये सिलसिला कई सालों तक चलता रहा। सचिन एक दिवसीय मैचेस में प्रारंभिक बैट्समैन की भूमिका निभाते थे, विपक्षी बॉलिंग को नष्ट करते थे और अकेले अपने दम पर भारत को मैच जिताते थे।
डोमिनेंट फोर्स थे और शायद अकेले डोमिनेंट फोर्स थे इंडियन टीम के अंदर।
1996 वर्ल्ड कप 2 सेंचुरी लगाए थे, एक 90 स्कोर पे आउट हुए थे, हाईएस्ट रन स्कोरर थे, अपने आप को मैच विनर साबित किए थे।
सारे मेरी जनरेशन के लोगों हैं, हम बड़े हुए हैं सचिन को अकेले मैच खेलते हुए इंडिया के लिए, और ये कहा जाता था कि सचिन आउट हो गए हैं तो अब मैच ख़त्म हो गया। कि मैं जब पढ़ाई कर रहा होता था तो मैं अपनी मदर को कहता था कि मैं सिर्फ सचिन की बैटिंग देखूंगा, अगर वो जल्दी आउट हो जाएगा तो मैं जल्दी मैच बंद कर दूंगा, और अगर वो लंबा खेलेंगे तो फिर योर बैड लक। दैट वाज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सचिन ऑन आवर सोसाइटी, ऑन आवर साइकी।
1997-98 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने भारत का दौरा किया। इसके फौरन बाद शारजा में एक ट्राई सीरीज हुई थी जिसमें फिर से सचिन का सामना शेन वॉर्न से हुआ।
22 अप्रैल 1998, सबको डेट, सारे इंडियन क्रिकेट फैंस को वो डेट याद है।
We were almost out of the tournament.
ट्राई सीरीज थी शारजहां में।
पहली जीतनी थी तो हम फाइनल में जाते थे, ऐसा था। अब सिचुएशन डिफिकल्ट था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाज आल्सो वेरी स्ट्रांग। मैच के लिए निकले, 11 बजे निकलते थे हम साथ में बैठते थे बस में, और उसने मेरे हाथ पे ऐसा हाथ पकड़ा तो पसीना, हाथ में पसीना छूट रहा है उसके। मैं बोला क्या कर रहे थे, क्या हुआ तेरे को? मैं बोला डोंट टेक प्रेशर है। मैं बोला नहीं हुआ 100 तो नहीं चलेगा, तो तू रहे वहां। नहीं सेंचुरी, दिस इज अ गुड साइन फॉर मी।
और सचिन ने एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त पारी खेली, लेकिन वो पारी बीच में रुक गई क्योंकि एक शारजाह पे एक डस्ट स्टॉर्म आया।
It's a problem for the batsmen and the fielders. Can easily get into the eyes, can be very distracting.
जब वो आए तो उसके बाद उन्होंने ताबड़तोड़ शॉट्स लगाने शुरू कर दिए।
He had total control, इधर मारना था उधर वो मार रहा था।
क्रिकेट के सभी दीवाने इस मुकाबले को डेजर्ट स्टॉर्म के नाम से जानते हैं।
इंडिया को क्वालिफाई करवा दिया था फाइनल के लिए।
It was so hot. Tendulkar was losing sweat like anything. रात में वो जब रूम में गए, his whole body was aching.
Next day he batted better.
और फाइनल उनके बर्थडे के दिन था, 24 अप्रैल।
और वो जो शो बनाया उसने, it was out of this world. Meaning I've not seen innings like that. Elevation correct, shots correct, and with so much of confidence.
उस दिन कोई स्टॉर्म नहीं आया, लेकिन वो 22 अप्रैल की जो पारी है वो डेजर्ट स्टॉर्म के नाम से मशहूर है। ना शेन वॉर्न के फैन भूलेंगे, ना सचिन फैंस भूलेंगे।
शेन वॉर्न ने मीडिया से ये भी कहा कि सचिन उनके सपनों में आते हैं और वहां भी उनकी बॉलिंग पर चौके छक्के मारते हैं। सचिन ने सालों साल एक दिवसीय मैचों में ओपन किया और उनके आंकड़े सराहनीय रहे। सचिन तेंदुलकर से प्रेरित होकर एक और विस्फोटक बैट्समैन उभर के आया। इस नए बल्लेबाज की शुरुआत भी मध्य क्रम में हुई और बाद में ये एक दिवसीय मैचों में भी ओपनिंग करने लगा।
So this was all about Sachin Tendulkar, how he got the name Master Blaster or Little Master.
शेन वॉर्न ने
Who will read next? Please raise your hand or write your name. Otherwise, no one will get a chance. Okay, Ruchika, start reading.
David's nickname, The Wall, was devised because of innings such as the 270 he made in more than 12 hours against Pakistan in 2004, the longest by Indian batsman in Test history.
So, Rahul Dravid was known as The Wall. Why? Because he played for long hours in a test match for India. But I will throw you out, Harshita. Pragya, next.
Akhtar was nicknamed Rawalpindi Express and Tiger as a tribute to his hometown and fast bowling. He is also the first bowler to break the 100 mph barrier doing so twice in his career.
So why the Akhtar Bakhtar is also known as Ravanpindi Express? Because Shoaib Akhtar. He's Shoaib Akhtar because he balls very fast. And he has broken the record of bowling at 100 mph. Priya, next.
Michael Joseph Jackson was an American singer, songwriter, and dancer. Dubbed the King of Pop, he is regarded as one of the most scientific culture figures of the 20th century and one of the greatest entertainers in the history of music.
Very good. Now we have Michael Jackson. His full name is Michael Joseph Jackson and he was an American singer. We all know him as King of Pop. Yashika, next.
Before, as the Beatles were called, came from Liverpool, England. Most of these songs were written by John Lennon and Paul McCartney. George Harrison played the lead guitar and Ringo Starr played drums.
Very good. Now what is here? The Beatles. The Beatles were known as Fab Four. They were from England. They were a singer. They were a band. Two of them sing while one plays the lead guitar and other plays the drum. These are the names: John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr. Karnit, next.
Rabindranath Tagore, born 7 May 1861, died 7 August 1941. Nickname Gurudev. He was a Bengali sage, a poet, a musician, and artist. Author of proudly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful verse of Gitanjali. He became in 1913 the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature.
Now he is Gurudev. Gurudev is known as Rabindranath Tagore and he is a poet and a musician from Bengal. Parv. See, bacha, I will not allow anyone to speak if this type of nonsense is created in the class. Nipun, next.
Mother Teresa was known as the Shanti of the guitar during her entire lifetime because of the social work she had done for the poor people of very low community. She made concrete toward betterment of economic poor people. She is still recognized for her hard work and selfless service.
So we all know that Mother Teresa, she worked for the very poor people of low community. The ones who do not have any money, she worked for them. She helped them to get, to do the work or be in the part of a society. And she's known as the saint of the gutters. Gutters, why they're saying? Because the people who are very, very poor. Akshvi, you can read next. Akshvi? All right. Uh, Actually, read the next slide.
Ma'am, I can read.
No, Nandini and Rashi, you will not get a chance like this. Keep on speaking in between. Niyati, you can.
Pila Vulkandi Tekka Para Billy Usha, born 27 June 1964, is a retired Indian track and field athlete. She has been associated with the Indian athletics since 1979. She is often called the Queen of Indian track and field, fondly called the Pioli Express for her awesome speed.
So, Usha, you must have heard about PT Usha. She is the one of the fastest Indian women and known as Pioli Express. Ayush, next.
Milkha Singh, by name the Flying Sikh, born October 17, 1935, Lairpur, now Faisalabad, Pakistan, India, track and field athlete who became the first Indian male to reach the final of an Olympic athletics event when he placed fourth in the 400-meter race at the 1960 Olympic Games in Rome.
You must have had maybe seen the movie also on Milkha Singh. He is known as the Flying Sikh. Why? Because of his against speed in running. He becomes the first male athlete who was in the Olympics and got at the 4th position. Please mute yourself. Keep on doing this. Geet, you can read next.
Yes, ma'am. Ban Gangadhar Tilak was also conferred with the title of Lokmanya, which means accepted by the people as their leader. Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India. Tilak was one of the first and stronger advocates of Swaraj, self-rule, and a strong radical in Indian
Consciousness. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he was the man who was accepted by the people. Matlab everyone was ready to make him his leader. So he was known as Lokmania.
Ma'am, may I read?
No, you will not get a chance like this. Keep on speaking. Now these are the some of more names with their nicknames like Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, Bapu. We have Salim Ali, like bird of the India. Jawaharlal Nehru is Chacha. Morning Star is known as Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So you all have to read the names like this. Again, some more. Then we have Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as Iron Man of India, Lord Buddha as Enlightened One, Sarojini Naidu as Nightingale of India. Then these are the names from the around the country, around the world, outside India. like Otto von Bismarck, man of blood and iron, William Shakespeare, Bard of Avon, Napoleon Bonaparte, Little Coropol or Man of Destiny. These are the nicknames given to the famous personalities. Duke of Wellington, Iron Duke, GBS, George Bernard Shaw. Fine. Next, we are going to read some facts from the book. I've already told you about this, like William Shakespeare was also known as Bard of Avon because he was born and buried in Stratford upon Avon, England. Then Dandiraj Govind Palke was also known as the father of Indian cinema. He was known as father of Indian cinema, and there is an award after his name, Dada Saheb Phalke. Okay, tell me the correct answer. Who is known as Nightingale of India? I've just told you. Nightingale of India. Yes, Ayush Ruchika, correct answer. Sarojini Naidu. Very good. Let's see. Question number 1. Sachin Tendulkar is fondly known as the one who writes the answer first will get a chance to speak. No. Yes, Yashika, you can tell. Yashika. Both. He is known as both Little Blaster and Master Blaster. Which Indian cricketer was labelled the Wall because of his excellent defense batting? Yes, Karnit?
Rahul Dravid.
Very good. Which Pakistani cricketer was famously known as Rawalpindi Express on account of his fast bowling? Yes, Ruchika? Ruchika?
Shoaib Akhtar.
Shoaib Akhtar, who is considered to be the king of pop of all the time. King of pop. Yes, Nipun?
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. Which famous British band of the 1960s earned the nickname Fab Four? Akshvi?
The Batlas.
The Beatles. Beatles. Any doubt in question number 1? First, third, B part third, C part second, D part first, E part first. Match the following. Column A with column B. Gurudev. Who is known as Gurudev? Yes, Akshvi?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. Saint of the gutters? Yes, Ayush? No, Ayush not a correct answer. Yes, Yashika?
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa, absolutely correct. Paioli Express. Karnet?
P.T. Usha.
Flying Sick. Akshvi.
And Milka Singh.
And last one, Lokmanya. But you have to write the answer.
But
Yes, Priya. Priya. Yes, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Very good. So Gurudev is Rabindranath Tagore, Saint of the Gutter, Mother Teresa. Paioli Express, P.T. Usha, Flying Sick, Milka Singh. And Lokmanya is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Last question. The famous freedom fighter was properly known as Netaji. Which famous freedom fighter was properly known as Netaji? Yes, Akshvi?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Very good. The answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was also known as Iron Man of India. True or false? Yes, Rashi?
Ma'am, true.
Correct. Jawaharlal Nehru was also known as Geet.
Ma'am, Chacha.
Correct. Which sports star is also known as Prince of Kolkata? Karnit?
Saurav Ganguly.
Saurav Ganguly. William Shakespeare was also known as Bard of Avon. Yes, Ruchika?
True.
True. So we are done with chapter number 4.
Ma'am, सी पास का आंसर क्या होगा?
In case of any doubt, you may ask me, but I will not answer in Hindi. Sorry.
Ma'am, please tell C part answer with
Which
time.
C part? Question number?
Time. Me.
Chacha is Chacha.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
All right, I'm ending the class for the day. If you have any doubt, let me know, and you have to submit the work by today. We have already done the work. Please submit the work today. Yashika, I'm telling, just give me a minute. That is Saurav Ganguly. Prince of Kolkata is Saurav Ganguly. All right, everyone. Kindly submit the work by today's evening. Ruchika has already sent me the work. All right. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye,
Submit
ma'am.
your GK
Bye,
and
ma'am.
Bye,
English
ma'am.
work.